Looking to bake the perfect loaf of bread? A reliable mixer is your secret weapon. In today's video, we're diving into the best Kitchenaid mixers for bread, breaking down their features, performance, and why they're a must-have for home bakers. Let's get your dough kneaded to perfection. Number 1. Kitchenaid Classic Series. The Kitchenaid Classic Series is a hallmark of durability and versatility, standing as a global favorite among mixers. With its durable metal construction and 59 touch points around the bowl, it ensures consistent, high-quality mixing every time. This mixer's 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl accommodates up to 8 dozen cookies in one batch, making it ideal for large-scale baking projects. The bowl is dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup after a day of baking. The tilt head design offers easy access to the bowl, allowing you to add ingredients conveniently while securely locking the head during operation. Its 10-speed settings make it highly adaptable, effortlessly transitioning between stirring, mixing, and whipping tasks. This model also supports over 10 optional attachments, broadening its functionality to include pasta making, ice cream creation, and more. Included accessories, such as the flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip, enhance its versatility, catering to a variety of recipes. Whether you're a novice baker or an experienced cook, the Kitchenaid Classic Series delivers reliable performance and long-lasting quality, making it a must-have for every kitchen. Number 2. Artisan Series 5 Quart. The Artisan Series 5 Quart mixer strikes a perfect balance between style, power, and functionality, making it a standout choice for bakers and chefs. Its sturdy zinc and stainless steel construction exudes elegance and durability. Available in a wide range of colors, this mixer lets you personalize your kitchen setup while providing exceptional performance. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl, equipped with a comfortable handle, can mix dough for up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in one batch. Its 59-point planetary mixing action ensures thorough ingredient incorporation, delivering consistent results with every use. The Power Hub enhances its versatility, enabling the mixer to function as a culinary center compatible with over 15 optional attachments. Whether you're whipping cream, kneading dough, or exploring advanced culinary techniques, the Artisan series adapts seamlessly to meet your needs. This model's combination of practicality, aesthetic appeal, and high performance makes it a reliable companion for both everyday cooking and ambitious baking projects. Its ability to combine functionality with personalized style sets it apart as a top-tier kitchen essential. Number 3. Kitchenaid Bread Bowl. The Kitchenaid Bread Bowl redefines home baking by providing an all-in-one solution for crafting artisan quality bread. With a 5-quart capacity, it accommodates recipes using up to 3.5 cups of flour, ideal for creating 1 to 1.5 pound loaves. The set includes a mixing bowl, baking lid, and dough scraper, streamlining the bread making process from start to finish. Compatible with all 4.5 and 5-quart Kitchenaid tilt head stand mixers, the bread bowl integrates seamlessly into your existing setup. Its versatility extends to being freezer, microwave, dishwasher, and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether crafting basic white bread, chocolate rye boule, or brioche, this innovative accessory simplifies the baking process, delivering professional quality results. By combining multiple steps into one vessel, the Kitchenaid bread bowl saves time and enhances convenience, making it a game changer for bread enthusiasts. For those passionate about baking, this accessory transforms the home kitchen into an artisan bread bakery. Number 4. Kitchenaid Lift Stand Mixer. The Kitchenaid Lift Stand Mixer is engineered for serious bakers, offering unmatched power and capacity to handle large-scale culinary tasks. With a spacious 7-quart stainless steel bowl, it can manage up to 13 dozen cookies, 8.5 pounds of bread dough, or 7.5 pounds of mashed potatoes in a single batch. Its 3-point locking system ensures stability, even during heavy-duty use, while the double flex edge beater provides superior mixing by scraping the bowl thoroughly. This mixer's 11 distinct speeds offer precise control, ranging from gentle folding to vigorous mixing. The unique 1/2 speed setting is ideal for incorporating delicate ingredients like blueberries or egg whites without overmixing. The robust motor delivers double the power of tilt head models, ensuring consistent performance for demanding recipes. Accessories such as the flat beater, dough hook, wire whip, double flex edge beater, and pouring shield enhance its versatility. Designed for efficiency and precision, the Kitchenaid lift stand mixer is an indispensable tool for professional bakers and ambitious home cooks alike. Its combination of capacity, power, and advanced features makes it a top-tier choice for those who demand the best in their kitchen. Number 5. CHeflee Stand Mixer. The CHeflee Stand Mixer is a perfect blend of style, performance, and convenience, designed to elevate your baking experience. Powered by a robust 660W pure copper motor, this mixer handles everything from whipping cream to kneading dense bread dough with ease. Its sleek design features LED lights that double as power indicators, adding a modern touch to your kitchen. The 6.5 quart stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample space for a variety of recipes, from cake batter to mashed potatoes. Its food-grade construction ensures safety and durability, while the anti-splash lid keeps your workspace clean. The mixer's 6-speed settings and pulse function offer precise control for every task, whether you're blending delicate meringues or tackling tough doughs. Planetary mixing action ensures thorough incorporation of ingredients, delivering consistent results every time. The tilt head design makes it easy to install and remove the bowl and accessories, while the base's 6 silicone suction cups ensure stability during operation. Backed by ETL and G Mark certifications, the CHeflee stand mixer guarantees quality and reliability. With its stylish appearance and powerful performance, it's an excellent choice for both novice and experienced bakers seeking a dependable and versatile kitchen companion. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.